You take the chassis of a bus, you put some diesel engines, and you add some steel wheels, and there, you've got a pacer. The pacer, referred to by Network Rail as the Class 142, 143 and 144, is a 2 or 3 car diesel multiple unit built by British Leyland and British Rail Engineering Limited with various batches during 1984 and 1987. Some very rare units are still in operation today with Transport for Wales and Great Western Railway. Northern still had some too until very recently, with the final delivery of the new classes 195 and 331 CAF trains meant that they were no longer needed. These trains are notable for being very bouncy, old, making an atrocious and dangerous squealing sound when braking and coming into a platform, as well as being very uncomfortable and very unreliable. However, they were quite cheap to build, operate and maintain, and thus they remain a popular train to be operated. Since new accessibility rules for public transport were introduced, that meant these trains could not remain in operation. The thing about these trains is that you either absolutely hate them or love them, but there's nothing in between that. Personally, I've never ridden one of them, so I can't really tell lots of things about them, but from a train enthusiast perspective, I actually like them, but I guess that people who have commuted on them daily must feel completely differently the other way and have the right to feel so. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very short video. Because I haven't really uploaded anything recently, I felt I had to do something for you before a new week starts again. As usual, the reminder everyone knows perfectly by heart: don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching. By the way, if you want to know more about how I will be uploading in the near future, check out my update video called Channel Update March 2021. It will be linked down below in the description box. Thanks for watching.